In this video, we'll take a look at Vault and how it helps you package, archive, and distribute your Flex applications. Vault allows you to create installable packages that include an entire Flex application, capturing its structure and configuration. This makes it easy to safely reuse applications across accounts while maintaining consistency. You can also create point-in-time snapshots to archive an application's exact state for version control and rollback. Each package represents a specific version of your app, and Vault lets you track installations and downloads to monitor adoption. Now let's see how it works. When you're inside the Flex framework, you will see the list of all of your applications. I am going to attempt to move the patient portal application to a completely different account. In order to do that, we need to create a backup of the application and archive it inside the Vault. When you're inside the Vault, you'll be able to see all of your current packages that you've archived. It's always a good idea to create a backup of your applications once you're done, or if you're making substantial changes to it so that you can preserve your existing settings. Before I show you how to move the application, let's quickly review the tabs at the top. As I said, these are our existing archived applications. Here we can see status of the app if it's ready to be installed or copied to another account. We can also see when it was created, number of times it was installed, size, and some notes. You can scroll to the right to see other information regarding each package, or you can click on the Columns tab to rearrange the columns based on priority. If you ever find yourself with deleted packages, which can take up to 3 months to be automatically removed, you can filter them out by clicking the Filter option in the sidebar. Inside the Sent tab, you can see what applications you sent to other accounts. You can also see how many times the package was downloaded inside a new account. Finally, in the Receive tab, we can see if anyone else sent us an application package to download. Going back to packages, let's go ahead and create a brand new package. As you can see, I have version 1 of the Patient Portal app and version 2, and now let's say we made additional changes to the app and we want to archive it as version 3. I will click on Create a New Package, select the Patient Portal Flex application, name it version 3. We can go ahead and ignore the notes field, which is optional. And once you click on Create, you will now see the packages in progress, and within just a few seconds, it will be ready. Now I can reinstall this version back inside my account at any time, or I can send a copy of it to another account. We have the capability of sending this application to multiple accounts, provided that we have the right account ID. You can find the account ID by going to Account Settings and copying the account ID from there. Once you get the right ID, you can paste it inside the text area and hit Enter. When you first click inside the text area, you will bring up all of the account IDs that are linked to your email or profile. In my case, that will be my production account called Cas_per. To add other account IDs, you can hit space on the keyboard or Enter, and this will allow you to bring in other IDs. There is an optional field here to send a note to the recipient as well. When done, click Send. You will now see the notification that the package was sent. Now let's head over to my production account. We'll need to go inside the Vault first and click on the Receive tab. Here is the latest package we received, so let's go ahead and download it. You'll see a pop-up notification from Caspio letting you know to only download the file from users you trust. Once the file is downloaded, you'll be able to find it inside the Packages tab. Now you can go ahead and install it as either a quick install, which automatically creates the objects that the app requires, or do a custom install where you can create new objects or use existing ones for this application. If you select Custom for Step 1 on the next screen, which is Step 2, you will see the list of all of your directories first. Here you can create brand new directories or use an existing one in the destination dropdown. In Step 3, you will see the list of the tables, where you can also create new tables or use existing ones and then map out the fields below. You can also select the table action if you wish to append data, update table design only, or update data. In Step 4, you can modify the sender email and other assets if applicable. Let's go ahead and do a quick install. It shouldn't take too long. Once it's completed, we can open the app and be able to review all the objects. This concludes the video on Vault. For additional information and help, please visit our knowledge base at howto.caspio.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.